1963 Heinkel Trojan, Model 601 Microcar. Beautifully restored right-hand drive Trojan. Superbly finished in Spartan red with a factory spec check cloth interior. Single cylinder, 4-stroke air cooler engine offering 10 brake horsepower. 4 forward speed and reverse easy change gearbox. Has formed part of a small collection in recent years. Active Owners Club, good parts availability. A lightweight British-built motor car that presents a sophisticated alternative to the more common BMW i-setters. A right-hand drive 3-wheel Model 601, recently restored to a very high standard.